Okay, so here we are. It's our new Caldera Spa, which actually it's Caldera Reunion. Just got it here in May of 2025, and we're having problems with the freshwater salt system keeping up. I've had this thing cranked up to 8, and this is only 350 gallons. But anyway, the guy at Hot Springs told me to see a little white button back there towards the top. He said to push that and that'll engage a different mode for the freshwater. So I'm going to push it and we'll see what it does. Yeah, so far nothing here. Let's okay, here we go. Had to hold it on longer. So let's see. This gives us small model. Let's see. Let's go next. Software status configuration. So test, let's try configuration, and salt system power A. Okay, so let's see, let's power B, enable. Okay, yeah, we'll see. Okay, actually I gotta go cycle the power and we'll see what happens. I'll check the voltage to the cell and see if this thing will do better at keeping up.